Hey everybody, welcome back to Horseshoe Mountain Ranch. And today, it's time to change the oil in the Kubota. It's a little Kubota B20 Backhoe. This is an industrial commercial grade. It's not your little subcompact tractor. So, and I've only had it here on the property for about a year, and I've only put a few hours on it, so I don't know how long it's been since it's had an oil change. But it's getting one today. Now, when you get a piece of equipment like that and you have no idea how much it holds or anything like that, there's a really good website that's got all that information. It's called tractordata.com, and you can scroll down the list, find your piece of equipment. It tells you all the specs on it, from everything from the tire size, engine size, pressure, capacities, you name it, it's all in there. So it's just a good resource for you. Now you're probably looking at this going, well, why in the heck have you got the loader bucket sitting up on that trailer? Well, I don't want to get squished, and I probably am going to end up having to crawl in the front. And a lot of tractors and equipment have got little locks that go right in here that you can raise the loader up and put those in, and you know it's not going to fall. Well, this one ain't got that. So, you know, you got to do what you got to do. So here's my way of doing it. And you know that it ain't going to crush that trailer. So let me get started here, and I'll bring you up to speed here in a minute. You know, folks, just like almost everything these days, they make it harder than it's got to be. They put that drain plug in the most god-awful spot. I don't know if I can get you where you can see it. No, I have to turn the camera upside down, but I don't know if you got a glimpse. But you can't get a socket on it because there's an axle. The drive shaft for the front axle is right underneath the drain plug. And then there's stuff from the framework from the side for the loader that keeps you from using an inner wrench on it. But what you gotta have, and luckily I seem to have every tool there is, you need one of these. A crow's foot metric 19 millimeter on the end of a extension with a ratchet. Of course, I have one. Not everybody does, but being a hot rodder since I was a teenager, I got most every tool. And then the little old oil filter, it took a Wix 51064, and I've got one of these funky looking oil filter wrenches, because it's such a small size here that you can hardly see it with it black. You can't get a big conventional automotive style one on there. So, but all I got left to do is pour some oil in it. We'll be good to go. But just like everything these days, seems like it's twice as hard as it's got to be. So just hang around. I'll be doing something else here in a second. Well guys, it's the next day, and since I changed the oil, seemed like this would be a good time to try it out, huh? So I'm gonna go. I got no post out here I need to take to the dump, and then I'm gonna work on the driveway a little bit, just make a pothole drain, because next weekend I think I'm gonna work on driveways. So let's just give her a shot. Wouldn't it be nice if somebody'd open the gate for you all the time? been trying to fill in with rims and junk, trash for, over 50 years now. You think we get it full eventually. There that went. Problem solved. Let me just set you up here. Okay, that was fun. Okay. About time to replace this post. It's about rotted. Secondary safety on it here. Next, I'm gonna go play in the driveway some. But y'all don't probably need to see that because I think that's all I'm gonna be doing next weekend. So thanks for stopping by, guys. And as always, if you have a chance, drop back by. I'll leave the gate open for you.